Yeah, so his, see now, there should be a low voltage. This is the, one of these are the alarm. So whichever one of these are the alarm, float, this is what he needs to tie into. So really, he's got this plugged in. It doesn't even need to be plugged in. He can tie onto this and run his low voltage wire back out to that, to this alarm.
And just a little bit underground.
So what it is, Trench, is, I'll show you exactly what you mean, what I mean, and you'll understand exactly what I'm talking about. So that's the pump.
Yeah.
Sorry, Trench. And this is the float system. See what he's done? He didn't leave, whoever did it didn't leave enough access so that you can pull this whole unit out. We should have. Yeah, I don't want to. Anyways, he has to get into it. Anyways, Trench, get him to take a bunch of access, pull that out, so that if you need to work on this ever, you can get it back out of the hole.
Okay.
But anyways, that's the pump. That's the float for the pump. On the left side, that's the float for this guy.
Okay.
That right there is a high water alarm. So if nothing's kicking on and that water comes up, it should push that valve up and it'll trigger that beep 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 beep. Then you know that the pump's not kicking on. That's all that is for.
Okay.
So he has to. This guy right. Yeah. See, it's hard for me to tell which one. That guy right there. Oh, I'm pulling both of them. Shoot.
Well, it's one of the white one or the green one's the pump there, right? The big one. So it's the white one or the yellow one.
This one, yeah, it's one of these two.
Yeah, because the outside one's the pump.
That's it right there. Warning. Stop, start, float right there. Shit, tells him everything there. I don't know why he didn't just read that. In Quebec, cut the plug above the arrow, which is up here.
Oh.
Connect wire direct in electrical junction box. Right there. That's the one he needs right there.
Oh, I see.
Here, I'll take it right off for him. Trench.
You just want to leave the alarm unplugged?
All it is just a little bit of reading. There, that's the one he wants. These two here stay together. So that's your float and your main pump.
Okay.
So that's the only one, Trench. Tell him to cut
this one.
Just cut that off. There's the thing. Just cut it above here, anywhere up here.
Yeah. And
splice
then run
his wires and run a low voltage wire to that.
Here. Okay.
And if that,
you don't even need that plug anymore.
No, yeah, you cut that off. It's just there. You know what I mean, when
you
it's
get the
shipped.
power from in there. For the
That's
alarm.
right, because that plugs into the wall.
Yeah.
So you plug this Trench. Yeah, look at that. I'm starting to be an electrician. So, anyways, mount that on your wall. Plug that into your outlet. Cut the end of that plug-in off.
And connect this.
And connect right here,
okay.
Low voltage, and it doesn't really matter which one goes on. You can't. There is no positive and negative. It's just low voltage anyway. So you just like a speaker wire, right?
Yeah. Okay,
okay,
perfect.
It's
pretty,
yeah, just under the ground.
And then to test it, you just pull that float up with a rake, and it should go
it's hard.
off.
I could leave you. I made a stick. Go grab. There's a stake in the back with the screws. Oh, I left it in the corner. Yeah, just put a little. So I can grab this like this. See how I just grab the float. What's he got going on here? I just put the power of that pump